Hi, this is Arita Spagna with Opulence Renovations. Today it's February 17th. I'm here at David House's property. That is 1214 Wakefield Drive in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, 35405. Claim number is 1584221-260-125. We're here today on the back slope of the property. As you can tell, front slope, back slope. I'm here to attempt to repair some of the approved repairs by Progressive. I have marked the area. This is going to be my control area that I'll be working on. RA, that's going to be my repair area. This shingle right here is creased, damaged, as you can tell, so that's what I'm going to be attempting to repair. I've outlined the damaged shingle here. I have also outlined two more shingles right above it, and I'll explain to you why. So when attempting to repair this shingle, I'm going to have to remove the one above it and the one above this one as well. It sort of creates a domino effect, if you will. I'm going to be using a roof snake, which is usually recommended by most carriers. And for the record, I am recording with Meta glasses. It only allows up to 3 minutes at a time, so there is a small chance that I'll have to combine a few videos together, but you'll be able to tell that I try to keep everything under one video. Alrighty, I'm gonna begin now. As I stated previously, this is the damaged shingle that I'll be replacing. So to start off, I have to remove the shingle right above it. I'm using a roof snake. I'm going to try to move as gentle as possible. As you can tell, the seal is really hard to break. Again, not really trying to angle it too much. Alrighty, so as you can tell, it looks like this shingle has now come undone. Now let's try to remove the actual damaged shingle. There we are. You can tell I'm not lifting too much. Okay, still not coming undone. So now we're gonna have to remove the shingle above that one. So break the seals first. See, I can't get it. I've already created damage there. Right there, there's some tears. Again, that's just things that cannot be avoided. Trying really hard to break the seal here. Okay. See, so right here, another tear, and I'm not going very hard. Okay, so now let's go back down to this one here. Start removing the nails. Okay. Okay, now here's our damaged shingle right here. Now let's try to remove most of those nails. Let's move over a little bit. We want to look for the nails. So you can tell some of the nails are all the way back there. Alright, since we've removed the shingle. So here's a damaged shingle. So you can tell it's creased right there. One thing that I would like to point out is the material transfer. As you can tell right there. Material transfer right here. Same thing. And all of this entire section here has material transfer as well. I can try to lift it up a little bit. I'm not going to too much, but you can get the idea. See right there, there's also some material transfer from this shingle. So what's gonna happen, as you can tell right now, it's just kind of flopping around. This shingle is never gonna adhere to this one anymore. Just like whenever I put my new shingle in there, this shingle right here is never gonna adhere to the new one that I put right here. It just creates a never-ending domino effect. So now to replace one shingle, you're gonna have to replace 1, 2, 3 shingles, and to replace this one, now you're gonna have to come on the ridge, replace the ridge cap as well, remove the ridge vent, and it's a never-ending cycle. So to keep this short, I don't think we can repair any of these shingles without creating more damage to the surrounding areas. I'll give you a closer look at the material transfer right here. See all of that right there, all of this here. So as I was saying previously, now this shingle right there, when I put the new one right here, this shingle above is never gonna adhere to the new one. So please, dear adjuster, let's keep that in mind. And I do request that you revise the estimate